Did you know that 92% of New Year's resolutions fail? That's right, almost everyone who sets big goals each year won't follow through. It's shocking, but it's not because people don't try hard enough. It's because they don't understand how to make their goals stick. The good news is that you can avoid becoming part of that 92%. What if I told you there's a simple, science-backed way to finally crush your goals in 2025? You don't need superhuman willpower or luck, you just need the right strategies. In this video, we're going to break down proven, evidence-based methods to help you not only set your goals but actually achieve them. We'll talk about how small, everyday changes can lead to big results, how your mindset is the secret weapon to success, and why the people around you might be the key to achieving everything you've always wanted. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make this your year of real, lasting progress. Chapter 1. The Science of Success. Why most goals fail, and how you can win. Did you know that 92% of New Year's resolutions fail? It's a staggering number, but the reason isn't that people aren't trying hard enough. It's because most people don't understand how the brain works when it comes to goal setting. Research from Harvard shows that when we set vague, broad goals, our brains struggle to stay focused. Instead, we often lose motivation and get distracted. The key to overcoming this is setting clear, specific, and realistic goals. According to Dr. Edwin Locke, a psychologist who studied goal-setting theory, people are more likely to achieve their goals when they set clear and challenging ones. When your goals are too easy, you won't have the drive to keep pushing. And when they're too vague, you'll lose focus. Here's the trick. Break your goals down into smaller steps that feel like mini wins. Celebrate each small achievement to keep your motivation high. The more specific the goal, the more likely you are to stick with it. For example, instead of, "I want to be healthy," try, "I'll walk 30 minutes every day." Chapter 2. Vision over fantasy. The power of practical goal setting. Many of us have big dreams, but they often remain just that, dreams. There's a big difference between fantasizing and actually achieving something. Fantasy leads to wishful thinking, while practical goal setting leads to measurable actions. A study by Dr. Gail Matthews, a psychology professor at the Dominican University, found that people who write down their goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. That's right, just by writing things down, you increase your chance of success. But it's not enough to write down vague goals like, "I want to get fit." You need to make them specific and measurable. For example, instead of saying, "I want to read more," set a goal like, "I will read 10 pages every day." Small goals like this don't overwhelm your brain, and your brain loves progress. Once you achieve these, the confidence boost will push you to tackle even bigger challenges. Chapter 3. Tiny changes, massive results. The 1% rule for explosive growth. What if I told you that small daily improvements can lead to massive success? It's true. This is where the power of the 1% rule comes in. Instead of aiming for huge changes all at once, focus on making tiny, incremental improvements each day. Over time, these small changes compound into massive results. A study from the British Journal of Health Psychology found that small, consistent habits are more effective for long-term success than drastic changes. This is why people who improve by just 1% each day see dramatic growth. Think about it. 1% improvement per day adds up to a 37x improvement after a year. That's a game changer. Tiny habits can also reduce the stress of goal setting. Instead of thinking you need to overhaul your life in a week, focus on making tiny, easy improvements that you can stick to. Over time, these tiny habits will set you up for lasting success. If you're enjoying this content so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss any of our upcoming videos packed with more practical tips to help you reach your goals. Chapter 4. Mindset over matter. Why fixed versus growth will make or break your goals. Your mindset plays a huge role in whether or not you achieve your goals. Dr. Carol Dweck's groundbreaking research on fixed versus growth mindset shows that people with a growth mindset are more likely to succeed because they view challenges as opportunities to learn. If you believe your abilities are fixed and unchangeable, a fixed mindset, you're less likely to try hard, and when things get tough, you might give up. On the other hand, if you have a growth mindset, you'll embrace failure as part of the learning process. In fact, Research from Stanford University found that students with a growth mindset were more likely to perform better and overcome obstacles. So, how do you develop a growth mindset? Start by reframing challenges. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I can't do this yet." This simple shift in language can change how you approach your goals and significantly improve your chances of success. Chapter 5. The Power of Delayed Gratification. How to train your brain to stay focused. Delayed gratification is the ability to resist the temptation of an immediate reward in favor of a larger, more significant reward in the future. The famous marshmallow test demonstrated that children who could wait for 2 marshmallows later, rather than eat one immediately, had better life outcomes in terms of health, wealth, and happiness. Why does this matter? When it comes to achieving your goals, the ability to delay gratification helps you stay focused and avoid distractions. According to a study by the American Psychological Association, the more you practice delayed gratification, the stronger your focus and self-control become. And these traits are essential for goal achievement. To train your brain, try starting with small challenges, like delaying a small reward, maybe a sweet treat, for 10 minutes. Slowly, you'll build your self-control. Over time, you'll find it easier to stay focused on your long-term goals, whether it's saving money, learning a new skill, or losing weight. Chapter 6. Accountability and Environment. The hidden forces that shape your success. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This quote by motivational speaker Jim Rohn speaks volumes about the importance of your environment when it comes to achieving your goals. Research supports this idea, showing that people's habits are highly influenced by the people and surroundings they interact with regularly. A study from the University of California found that having an accountability partner increases the likelihood of goal completion by 65%. This is because when you tell someone about your goals, you're more likely to follow through. The act of knowing someone is watching and supporting your progress adds a layer of motivation. Your environment also plays a critical role. If your workspace is cluttered or full of distractions, it's hard to stay focused. Studies from the University of Minnesota show that a tidy, organized space leads to better productivity and focus. Create a goal-friendly environment by surrounding yourself with people who inspire you and a physical space that helps you stay on track. By combining accountability with a supportive environment, you'll make your journey toward your goals smoother and more successful. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We've got even more practical tips coming your way to help you achieve your goals and make 2025 your best year yet.